Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect Oticon Hearing Aids to an Android. We are going to take this step by step. If you need to, feel free to pause the video. Before we get started, be sure to have the Oticon Companion app already downloaded and installed onto your device from the App Store. First, open the Oticon Companion app. Leave your hearing aids in the charging dock. Select your notification preference here. Select your preference for usage data reporting here. To connect your hearing aids to this application, please remove them from the charging dock and select Pair Now. Select your geolocation preference. If you select Allow, this will enable the Find My Hearing Aid feature. This device requires permission to use Bluetooth. Select Allow. Before pairing, make sure that your hearing aids and your mobile device have sufficient battery power. Select I understand. If your hearing aids are battery powered, please restart them by opening and closing the battery door, and then select Next Step. Your device is searching for the hearing aids. Keep them close by. Once your hearing aids have been discovered by the device, select Yes. Select Pair to connect your left hearing aid. Select Pair to connect your right hearing aid. Select Continue. Your hearing aids have now been successfully connected. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, your local Happy Ears family is always here to help.